5 World Explorers. Where are we going today, Luca?
Wood carving.
We are going to do another workshop at the library in Ubud.
Well, if I cannot do a hover car, I'll do an airplane.
Okay, so
But if he tells me not to do that, I'll just...
Luca's still trying to decide what he's going to make. This is the library. Let's go. Luca, this way.
I keep forgetting not to do.
Here's the rest of our wood carvers for today.
Hi, hello first everybody. Okay, the first is my name is Nyoman. This one and that one. Okay. When you come for the first time wood carving, when you want serious learn wood carving, like a one-time class here, and then back home to Australia, and then you want to make something, you must learn the first is the technique wood carving. All the technique wood carving is the flower here. Okay, what you want doing, what you want making, you can ask here. For all that one until already, the basic is from here. If you come just for make, okay, I want to make something in Bali, this is possible you want to try that one, or lizard, or turtle. Okay, now please tell me what you want try to make it. You want just for make the simple one, the turtle gecko, or you want learn about the technique? You for the turtle, okay?
Yeah.
Then you,
Good job.
You can come different, no problem.
Emma, what are you doing?
Okay, I'll do the flowers, so at least we have one of each.
Okay.
You do the
How many
technique.
the turtle you want? What you
Technique.
like to make? You? Flower. You?
Gecko, lizard.
Lizard.
I love it.
Lizard.
You,
Flower. 2 flowers.
2 flowers, 2 geckos, and 2 turtles. That's
Yeah.
so cool. Good job, guys.
I want to make an eye.
Teamwork.
Okay, you stay together. Along here. Make the same along here. Put line, straight line here. Put straight line, and then in the middle. Yeah.
Okay. Make it a little small. Oh, so then we're gonna cut off this part. That's why we have to make a square here. So then we just cut off this part.
Now,
What would be the exact middle?
This is block for the
Face.
head. Yeah. Head here. And then this for the hand here, okay, and then hand here.
Yeah.
Look, this the technique, and then become the body is here, right? Body here, the leg is here, and then the tail will be is
Here.
here. This is technique, yeah. Not you go make the eye, not yet.
The outline, yeah.
Yeah, okay. The same for that one. One is bigger, and then the other one is smaller. So you first you follow the line. Look me. Technique for the carving. Look
And that's
here.
all I take.
Yes, you go like
How we can hold it?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Back again to follow all the line. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Follow all the line here. Here. And then after back here. Okay, look.
And I can just see my hand's gonna be all bandaged if you get all this squash. Like, yeah, can you hold it very still?
Yes. After ready, yeah. And then after back from here. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Back again here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So
like
you
that,
take it
yeah.
out. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
We have to make this part.
Yeah, because you need this is high and then this is low.
Oh, okay. This right here.
This is head and then this is the body. This is the tail. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go.
Whoa.
Okay. And then next line, come. After the last line is here.
Easier than it actually is.
And what about the shell?
Okay,
That's
and
the
then
this is the shell, Luca.
Yeah,
So you
okay.
draw it first.
okay, and then that one for this one, yeah, and then this one for this one, right? And then this one for this one, right? Okay. This is technique when you want carving. Not possible you want carving finish. Not possible that one, yeah. You must go for the step by step.
Yeah.
Yeah. That one.
He puts the lines.
Maybe wait for him and ask him.
Yeah. Okay. And then this is one.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this part first because I want to do the head.
Yeah, you can start from here, and
But you
here.
have to put it on the lines, okay?
Yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go on.
Look at it. 2 pieces come.
Okay? Okay, go.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go. There you go.
Do I do it here now?
Do you need to put it closer to you? Put it on the line.
Stop.
1, 2, 3.
You can come more here, more closer. Yeah. You can come more closer.
What are you doing now?
So I'm making a hole. So you
Oh,
have to
because
first,
there's a tail.
yes, I have to make the line. Watch, I make the line.
Yeah.
As he was saying, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? And then I go. See? That's how you start to make the hole.
Let me see.
I'm an expert wood carver already. See?
There you go.
Intermediate.
So can you wood carve me a bed thingy?
A bed.
A bed.
Yeah, like the thing that holds a bed. But with all fancy carvings and stuff like that.
Like this carving.
When you have start, hard from here is hard. For me, we go. You pick from the top. It's easy. Okay. Look me. Easy. And then continue with that one until it's open.
You just move it.
Okay, you that one. Okay.
Wiggle it.
Okay. Never you go this one. Never, because you go this. The tooth is come in work here. Try get relax. Let this up, yeah. You must have relax, yeah.
I think people that do it because they enjoy it, and so they relax when they're doing it. Oh, look
Oh,
at
now we have to carve the tail?
Body.
You thought you were done?
No.
No, I was just wondering.
You follow first the line.
Oh, we're doing the lines.
Not
Okay.
go too harder.
Yeah, just because we're doing the line, yes.
Okay. And then after back, ankle. Like that.
Okay.
So you have the legs.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Practice here. Okay.
Oh, you use that part for practice.
Practice first, yeah.
Yeah, because that's why we made it a square. But see, I was
Yeah,
like,
I was
this is
looking,
way
I was
too
like-
big.
Yeah,
You know?
that's what I was wondering.
And then for the under, what you like to do?
Mine did something wrong.
So these are the patterns you can pick, and one of these has to go on this part. Oh, look at him. He's
know.
getting similar to this one now.
I know. And this is also mine. This one is
You do everything.
yeah.
Is it something your family did, or?
Yeah, I learned with my grandpa.
Ah, okay.
This
So,
is all this is my family work.
oh, your family made all of this?
Yeah, for that one, not for the metal. My family is the very famous for the wood carving in Bali.
Oh, okay. What's the name of the family? Like
Maderago.
Maderagun.
Yeah.
Okay. So you were born and they made you wood carve right away. Make your own toys.
Yeah, all is my live is wood carving until now. But my son just go for the modern art because for the live wood carving is hard to get money.
Right.
Yeah, he go to graphic design.
Oh, well. It's okay.
Yes, okay.
It's still an artist.
It's okay. It's still art, but modern art.
Yes.
Go.
I feel like I should.
This is such long.
Yeah.
So you made
Yeah, like
300 a year of these?
Because I teach here from the 35 years ago.
You teach in this library?
Yeah.
35 years
How
ago.
long-
Before have library here.
Oh,
Before
because
the first is here is the name is Pondok Pekak homestay. And then I
Okay.
start for the teach people for the wood carving with the group from Montana.
so this was a homestay.
Yeah.
And then they decided to offer classes of wood carving.
Yeah, and then have the library.
And then they added the library.
Yeah, then
And you've been working here since it's
Until
co-
now.
So Cosimo's gonna say he made this, but it's not him making it.
I did most of the outline work. He's just
Constantly
doing.
did most of it. I didn't like no.
Look at how nice. See, I also. Yeah, I did most of it. Thank you, Noman. Noman's good with the knife. And then we make the
Meanwhile,
tail. It's done.
the ladies here are doing some real artwork.
But don't do the nail. I'm freeing my guy's tail from this nail. Oh, this is my guy's tail from his nail.
You thought he was gonna say nailed the whole time?
Yeah, I thought I was gonna keep this whole thing. Oh yeah.
At least you did something.
Excuse me.
Just like Luca has a broken arm, I mean his turtle, Cosimo's tail came off.
There's really no way to connect it. Well,
Too much energy.
I would say my wood carving experience went well.
Oh, that's so nice.
So after many hours of hard work, you're done.
Hey, honestly, I can go on and on. I can say different types of phenomenon.
It's like a
The
remix.
tide, the grass, the ground. I was just not messing around. I killed Neil. I buried his guts. Sprouted tree. I got coconuts. What did you want to eat coconuts for Neil's gut? Down, 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 down. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. She likes to move it, move it. We like ball of yarn. I will always buy you. You came in like a ball of yarn. No, let me take.
Is this your
I see trees of gray roses too. I can't see because I'm colorblind.
Okay, one trial photo, quiet, see? This is a quiet photo. Now we need the loud one. Lucas, show your turtle. Cosimo, seriously. Go in the
I'm
back.
gonna go next to my friend.
Okay, there you go. Luca, go in the front. Perfect. Everybody smile.